The 2025 Peugeot e-5008 is designed with a comprehensive suite of safety features that prioritize the protection of its occupants while enhancing overall driving confidence. As a family-oriented electric SUV, it combines advanced technology with practical safety measures to ensure a secure driving experience in various conditions. One of the standout features of the e-5008 is its advanced emergency braking system, AEBS, which utilizes radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions with other vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists. This system can automatically apply the brakes if it determines that a collision is imminent, providing an essential layer of protection in urban environments where sudden stops may be necessary. The AEBS is particularly effective at night, detecting pedestrians and cyclists in low-light conditions, which enhances safety during evening drives. In addition to the AEBS, the e-5008 is equipped with Lane Keeping Assist, LK. This feature monitors lane markings on the road and provides steering assistance to help keep the vehicle centered within its lane. If the system detects unintentional lane departures without signaling, it gently nudges the steering wheel to guide the driver back on course. This technology is invaluable for long-distance driving or during periods of fatigue, ensuring that drivers maintain focus and awareness. The Driver Attention Alert System is another critical safety feature integrated into the e-5008. It monitors driving behavior for signs of fatigue or distraction and provides visual and audible alerts when it detects that the driver may need to take a break. This proactive approach to driver well-being is part of Peugeot's commitment to enhancing overall road safety. The e-5008 also includes traffic sign recognition capabilities, which utilize cameras to detect and display relevant traffic signs on the vehicle's dashboard. This feature helps drivers stay informed about speed limits and other important road regulations, reducing the likelihood of unintentional violations. For enhanced visibility during nighttime driving, the e-5008 features pixel LED headlights that adaptively adjust their brightness based on surrounding traffic conditions. This ensures optimal illumination without blinding other drivers, contributing to safer nighttime travel. Peugeot has also incorporated a 360-degree camera system as an optional feature for the e-5008. This system provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. The high-definition camera feeds assist drivers in detecting obstacles that may not be visible through standard mirrors. The safety of rear passengers is addressed through features such as ISOFIX child seat fittings, which provide secure anchor points for child seats in the second row. This ensures that younger passengers are safely secured during travel, giving parents peace of mind. In terms of structural integrity, the e-5008 benefits from a robust chassis designed to absorb impact energy effectively during collisions. The vehicle is equipped with multiple airbags strategically positioned throughout the cabin, including front airbags for both driver and passenger, side airbags for added protection in side impacts, and curtain airbags that extend along both sides of the vehicle for head protection. The e-5008 also includes automatic hazard light activation upon heavy braking, alerting other drivers in emergency situations. Additionally, features like automatic door locking when moving off enhance security by preventing unauthorized access while driving. Another innovative feature is the Acoustic Vehicle Alerting System, AEBS, which generates sound at low speeds to alert pedestrians of the vehicle's presence. This is particularly important for electric vehicles like the e-5008, which operate quietly at low speeds. Peugeot has focused on creating a safe environment not only through active safety technologies but also through passive measures such as high-strength materials used in construction and advanced crumple zones designed to mitigate injury during accidents. As for reliability and brand reputation, Peugeot has made significant strides in improving its standing among consumers. The company ranked 6th out of 32 car manufacturers in recent ownership surveys conducted by automotive publications. While specific reliability data for the e-5008 is still emerging due to its status as a new model, Peugeot's overall commitment to quality assurance and customer satisfaction bodes well for potential buyers. In summary, the 2024 Peugeot e-5008 combines advanced safety technologies with practical features designed to protect occupants and enhance overall driving experience. From its robust emergency braking systems to its comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, this electric SUV offers peace of mind for families and individuals alike. As consumers increasingly seek vehicles that offer both capability and modern conveniences, the Peugeot e-5008 remains committed to delivering excellence through every mile traveled. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on family adventures, the e-5008 promises reliability coupled with cutting-edge technology designed to cater effectively to diverse lifestyles. With its focus on creating an upscale yet functional environment, the Peugeot e-5008 continues to be an excellent choice for those who value both style and substance behind the wheel.